Hello everyone, I'm going to explain experiment 8 of ML lab and this is called SOM. We are already see CRC. Now I'm going to explain SOM. I will just explain what is going on this whole lab and what is this and everything. SOM is like self-organizing map and what is this type means like I can say unauthorized machine learning to group similar moves into clusters. We can see step to step and I didn't say like this with code. I'm just saying explaining. I'll just explain what is this and after that we can move to the code. Okay, first like first step we are working with importing pandas and numpys and libraries and everything we want to import, and after that we're loading a data set and inputting data for a model, and in the next we're removing a target column. Like we choose a target of one column and we're removing the target. It is a target column like that exists. It's removed because the clustering does not use dependent outputs. Okay. Next, data processing. Data processing like is a set only numerical columns and also normalize between 0 and 1. It's like minimum scalar, min max scalar. Okay. Next, fifth, visualizing before clustering. Like plotting one figure to understand another distribution. You can help like better practice. And SOM functions creates a grid and targets onto SOM models and then uh, it assigns each point data point to clusters. Okay. Next, runs from SOM different grid sizes and silhouettes for high beta clusters and low beta clusters and like that we'll choose. And now just we'll see code first. We import pandas and query. We import numpy as a tree and import matplot as a PLT and everything, and importing libraries and data. Num pandas and numpy as a handling, data handling, matplot and cpan as an visualization in scope and self-organizing maps, clustering, scalar, scaling plus equivalence matrix. Okay. Next, second one, this one. Like we everyone knows, read is pd dot read. We can know what will do data into a data frame. This main data used for clustering. And next, this one, removing a target column. I said right, removing a target column. It checks target column exists and removes, and because clustering is unauthorized, unsupervised, unsupervised data processing, data pre-processing. This one, data pre-processing. Select only numerical columns. Use min-max scalar to normalize between 0 to 1. Okay. Next, this no visualization. Like visualization plots for a few first features of the scale data helps visualize the description of clustering and everything. Mm, Here, that's one function. How will function will do here? Like that, it will show define a function and run self organizing self with this and initializing the SOM grid and here and X grid and into Y grid like that trains on it on a data finds winning memory clusters converts them into a cluster labels train SOM models and returns cluster labels and next run run SOM as evolution. It's just the SOM and with different grid sizes like 4 clusters and 9 clusters. I take an example and create 2 2 and 3 3 like that 4 and 9. You can say 4 clusters here and 9 clusters here. And visualization clusters. Here visualizing the clusters and plot data and cover color by clusters like this here. Color by clusters and helps the visualize understand how data is grouped and empty cells. And this also known as it also known no data can be used whichever one runs. And this is the SOM self-organizing map. This is the experiment 8 lab ML. Thank you.